Hi, my name is Zion Mesfin, and I'm here in Portland, Oregon on behalf of Runta News, interviewing members of the Oregon and Southwest Washington Community Development Center. I'm here with Ms. Claudia and Mr. Ibrahim. Would you guys like to introduce yourselves in the role that you play in the community?
Yes, my name is Claudia Al Amin, and I'm General Manager for the Oregon and Southwest Washington African Community Development Center. And my job is basically to handle the day-to-day operations of the center.
Hi, my name is Ali Ibrahim, and I'm Executive Director of Somali Oregon Service Center, and I'm also a board member of Oregon Southwest Washington African CDC. And my main job is, it's not only one thing. I do a lot of stuff. So in African CDC, I'm the lead case manager for the See No Stranger program.
Thank you so much for sharing. Ms. Claudia, would you like to expand on the role that the OSWWACDC plays in the community for the larger African American and diaspora?
Sure. Well, we have several active programs that we use to do outreach in the community. One of them is through the Oregon State University Extension Services and their cooking programs to help the, new immigrants and anyone who is interested really in learning how to shop, save, and cook, and looking at labels, various things. And then we have a premium program called A Taste of African Heritage. And the Taste of African Heritage teaches Africans in the diaspora how to healthy ways to cook the foods that they love and that are so healthy for us, like greens. Another program that we have is orienting families about sex trafficking, which is a big issue here in the Portland metropolitan area and actually the whole West Coast. But just teaching them ways that youth can get caught up without even knowing it, in the sex trafficking trade. So that we have that program. We have mental health programs that we do, and outreach and bringing the community together in small groups to address those kinds of issues of trauma. And that's some of the work that we're doing here.
Thank you so much for sharing. Mr. Ibrahim, would you like to share how you help African diaspora and immigrants come in and feel welcome?
Yeah, that's a good question. We help the African diaspora, not only the African diaspora, also we help a lot of different kinds of people from the community. We start from the basic thing that the food. We all have a partnering with Oregon Food Bank. We give them food 2 times a month with all Africans. We don't differentiate. Also, we give them the Afghan people. We help them. We just consider them part of the community. And we also have a program which we call Women Wellness Program that we just bring women together. They do wellness program. They do sewing classes, and also senior program which we have to bring our seniors together, because back home we used to respect the seniors, but when they came here, they end up just sitting home with diabetic and blood pressure. So we have a program that we bring them together twice a month, that they do yoga or something like that. And luckily, our brother Mesfin for African CDC, we share a lot of different programs, and especially the last summer when the heat was too much, we helped. Sister Claudia helped us to share the air conditions that we distributed our people, and that was very, very fantastic program, and they really appreciate the people. And that kind of program is really very nice. At the same time, also, Sister Claudia helps us with the sewing program. She's one of the maintenance teachers in the program. So this help, not only that something come from me, it's something coming from all African people, especially our brother Mesfin, who always encourages us to come together and to build one umbrella.
Thank you so much for sharing. Here we have Mesfin Bashir and Desta. Would you guys like to expand on your role in the community?
Yes, my name is Mesfin Bashir. I'm the founder and executive director of the Oregon and Southwest Washington African Community Development Center. One of the idea we start this organization is to bring the African community-based minority organizations to come together, work together, partner, collaborate, so to maximize service for our community, for Africans, African Americans, the African diaspora, so we can maximize service to our community and minimize the cost. And we have been here since 2020, and as Mr. Ali said and Ms. Claudia, they have done a great job bringing the community, and also Amani, Mr. Patrick. We're doing a great job. One of the things also, the programs we have, collaborating with Multnomah County, we support people in rental assistance who are evicted, eviction process. We support them through the county, Multnomah County, so they can get assistance. And also we refer, immigration cases to other, organizations or individual lawyers that they can assist them. So we have many programs, but also currently we are working with the 6 employees we have in African CDC, working with the Oregon Department of Human Services, with a grant, almost $1.7 million to settle these African immigrants and refugees. And they have been doing a great job. Without these organizations and our case managers, we can't do more. And since one hand can't clap, so in order to clap, we need 2 hands. All these community-based minority organizations must come together, work together to achieve the hopes, the dreams, and the aspirations of the unfortunate many. Thank you very much.
And my name is Desta Wodajeneh, and I recently joined the organization. It is African CDC. So my motto, as I have a big calling, for the first time when the immigrants, the refugees, when they're coming to the United States of America, for the first time when they set their legs in the U.S. soil, there are lots of challenges and problems, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. So I have a big plan, and I have a lot to share. By the time when they're having a big problem, to be a part of the solution for their, for the way out, how they just manage the challenge and everything in it. And I just want to impart the positive energy, especially the United States of America. It's a great nation on earth. They have a big wisdom, a big wisdom, how they control and manage their society. We just want to share from this society to our community. That's the beauty of oneness, unity, not jealousy, just to become one together. Life is too short. We just want to, we want to just, give them lots of these life-giving thoughts, how life is easy, and we are working together. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing, everybody. I'm Zion Mesfin here with Runta News. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News Channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.